Becoming a successful trader looks to be hard and sometimes complicated, but do you know why? It's because most people who come into Forex trading, they lack the knowledge about the markets and they lack the knowledge completely about trading. But in today's video, I'll be revealing tips on how to become a successful Forex trader, whether you're a beginner or you are an intermediate trader who is not yet profitable. And allow me welcome you. This is WCMFX and my name is Aaron OP. Let's dive in. Number 1, educate yourself about Forex trading. Before you dive into real trading, make sure you educate yourself about the fundamentals of trading, including the fundamental analysis, technical analysis, risk and money management, psychological management, so that at least when you dive into this, you know what you're doing. You're capable of controlling your emotions. You can easily read and understand what the news is talking about, and you can analyze the past events to give you the future movement of the currencies or stocks and metals. So make sure you learn the discipline to come up with a successful and winning strategy. Tip number 2, develop a trading plan. A solid plan is the roadmap to your success. Outline your goals, risk tolerance, and trading strategy. Focus and stick to your trading plan to avoid impulsive decisions. And remember, a plan without discipline is just a wish. So let's go to tip number 3. Practice with demo accounts. So before you put in real money, make sure you practice with your demo accounts. Nowadays, these platforms like the MetaTrader and most of the brokers, they provide you with a demo account. This will help you perfect on your strategy and your trading plan so that you don't lose money while in the process of learning. Practice more using the demo accounts and learn your strategy so that by the time you're putting in real money, you're already set and you know the risks involved with trading and you already have your trading plan set. Now let's move on to tip number 4, which is probably our last tip. Stay disciplined and patient. Emotional trading leads to failure. Avoid making impulsive decisions. Trust your strategy and stay focused on long-term goals. Remember, patience and consistency are foundation to success. We have come to the end of the video, which is the 4 tips of becoming a successful Forex trader. If you love this video and wish to see more of such content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you again in the next video. Bye bye.